Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kofi. Okay, so in this video I want to show you how you can do cross-section. And before you do cross-section, definitely you need a DEM or an elevation map to do that. So in this video, that is the link over there, I created this particular elevation map, and you can check that video out. I also showed you how you can create contour lines. Yes, so it's basically about elevation map and contour map, so you can check the video out. So now that I am done, what if I want to create the cross section, or you are here to learn how you can create cross section. So after you are done with your elevation map from that video, it is ready. Now how do you do the cross section? Simple. We need a toolbar. The toolbar is called 3D Analyst. You bring that toolbar. This is it. This is it. Have you seen it? You bring that toolbar, then you take this particular line, interpolate line, you select it. Let's say you want the cross section from this side to this side. You can even bring it down. Let's delete it. I didn't do it well. Let me bring it to the side. Have you seen that? After you are done drawing the line, you select the line, then you go to this side. Have you seen it? Point profile. Then you choose point graph. This is the cross section of the area. So it starts from this side, then it comes down, then it goes up, then it ends here at the up. Have you seen that? And you can see that indeed this place is a highland, and this place is a lowland, and this place is a highland too. So it starts from a highland and comes to the side. Let's try this side. So you take the line again from north to south, this particular side. When you are done, you see that this is a highland, lowland, highland. Let's see how it will look like. This is a very highland, then it comes narrower, then it ends here. So that is the cross section of the area from north to south, and this is from here to here. Have you seen it? Let us try this place. The line again, come here, then you come to the side. Now with the line selected, you come to the profile graph again. This is it. It starts from a highland, then it falls flat. Have you seen that? Yes. So you can actually, after you are done, you can just export it, or you can actually do it like you just right click, then you copy as graphic, then you can even open your PowerPoint or whatever you are using. You can open it, then you just paste it over here. Have you seen it? You can see this one is from north to south. Then you come here, then maybe this is, you copy from the east to west, then maybe you copy it as a graphic, then you come and paste it here for whatever presentation that you want to do with it. So that is how you do cross section. I have another elevation map, let us try that particular one too. So this is it. This is the elevation map. This is another one that I worked. I created it some days. So you select the line from this side to this side. Have you seen that? From this side to this side. Now from the legend, you see that this is a lowland, this is a highland, this is a moderate. So let's see how it will look like. So you come here again, select it, You see that it is from a low-lying area, and then we just climb like that. So guys, that is how to actually create a cross-section of your area. You first need the elevation map or a DEM. If you have a DEM, you can just drag it, then you use it. Not necessarily the elevation map. You get it? If you have a DEM, a digital elevation model, you can actually drag it, then you do the cross-section of the area you want. Do you get it? Yes. So thank you very much for watching. Once again, my name is Kofi, and please kindly help me with a like, a share, a comment, and a subscription. You are helping a brother, so kindly help me in that regard. Thank you very much once again. I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.